Okay, I was really concerned about how difficult it might be to clean out my Kegerator, and luckily Amazon has elegant solutions to my problems, which made it insanely easy. I'm telling you, it was crazy simple. I thought I was going to have to tear apart all the tubing and all the taps and scrub it by hand and pour water through it, but I found this kit on Amazon from Barking. It's a dog, get it? Barking. From Barking, and everything is included in this kit to make this process insanely easy. So it comes with its own little mini keg and a pump top to provide pressure in the keg, just like your regular keg would in your Kegerator. It comes with cleaning solution. You put warm water in here and cleaning solution. You put the end of this on the tube, the other end of it down inside of the solution. I put it all the way down so it was pretty much touching the bottom. And then you hold the tap open with one hand and pump this with the other hand, and it pumps the cleaning solution all the way through your tap and all the way out the nozzle. I don't know why I'm so surprised that it worked so easily and so well, but it really just did. I didn't have to take the thing apart. It put cleaning solution through it. After the cleaning solution, I put a few buckets of just warm water to make sure all that cleaning solution was blown out of the lines. It comes with detailed instructions, but I pretty much just told you everything you really need to know. Comes with some coasters, which is a nice touch. Comes with a little scrub brush for the inside of your tap, which is also a really cool touch. But it was so easy that I am probably now, like a normal human being, going to clean my tap on a much more regular basis. If you have a Kegerator and you want to keep it clean, this by far was the best solution that I've found so far. It worked for me, and I would definitely recommend it.